I have spent tons of hours of watching YouTube algorithm hacks and spent a lot of money on these things. You know what I came across? Facts. Yes, you heard it right. Many YouTubers nowadays are uploading videos just for views, but not providing their audience the actual information. You know the reason why. If they teach the audience all of their secrets, who are going to watch them? But I am here for you guys. I'm not a big YouTuber and I don't like to scam anybody. I will provide you the secrets of how YouTube algorithm actually works, and if you find it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Coming towards our point. The whole YouTube algorithm works on these three components: content creation, qualification, understanding your audience. Suppose you want to make 100k subscribers in next 6 months. What I would ask you guys is to focus on these three things. First, content creation skills. In content creation skills, there is research, scripting, production, editing, and presentation of your videos. These are the basic skills that you must know. Without knowing these basic skills, you are not going to grow. Second thing is qualification. You know the skills of content creation, but are you truly qualified? Take the example of this. You know the basic of content creation skills. Will you be able to make comedy content or fitness content? The answer is no, because you are not qualified for this. The reason you are watching this video till now is that you know I have spent my money and time on these courses, and I know what they teach. This is qualification. You can see many YouTubers like these who can write and edit their videos well, but are they actually qualified? The information they are providing is actually worth anything or not? The third thing that comes down to the list is audience perspective. Now you know that you are qualified and your content creation skills are very good, but still you are not getting any views. The reason is that you are not understanding your audience. Your audience loves to watch how to make money online videos, and you are posting your room vlogs. Of course, you will not be getting any views because you have no support of your audience. Similarly, the algorithm and audience are not two different things. They are the faces of the same coin. If audience loves you, then the algorithm will push your video. I hope you understand the basics of YouTube algorithm. And if you have gained any knowledge from this, then please comment down below. There is still a lot of knowledge to be shared. Thank you guys.